Welcome to the second ever Choose Your Own Chess Adventure. You are the star of this story. The aim is to find the correct moves and to make it to the end of the videos with the least amount of mistakes as possible. You are with the white pieces. I'll give you some clues. You're going to try to play in the most romantic style possibly. Think Morphe, think sacrifices, think beauty. That's what I want you to do here. There's about 8 interactive moments. If you get the wrong move, you'll be directed back and you can have another go. If you get the correct move, you'll move on. Good luck, and let's get cracking. Fire on the board. Boom! E4, E5, and you already have your first decision. Option number 1 is knight to f3. So remember, if you want to pick this option, you just click on the clip when I finish talking. This is option 1, knight to f3. Option number 2 is f4. Dare you brave the king's gambit. This is option number 2. And option number 3 is bishop to c4, eyeing up the f7 square immediately. Option 1, knight to f3. Option 2, f4. Option 3, bishop to c4. Make your decision now.